Hi everybody. Um, I'm looking forward this coming weekend. We have our intermediate ART course. As you know, ART has become one of the leading energetic diagnostic technique all over the world. And many of you have been at the last workshop in June, where I was very impressed with the quality of you. Um, this weekend, I want to take you to the next level up, where you will see some fantastic results when you start working with the technique in the modified ways that we'll be showing you. It's going to be again at Emerson College in Forest Row in the south of England. Um, I hope that all of you or most of you can come, because we want to build a beautiful group of practitioners that will take care to the ever increasing need that patients have out there. So thank you. I see you then.